right, guys, 1994 Nissan 240 SX. Some of them came in a Sylvia, they used to call them, if you guys didn't know. But look at this beautiful car. It is in mint condition. He's restoring it slowly. And you can see that it's really well taken care of. So he brought it in. He had an issue with one of the studs from the system he bought. But let me show you guys. As you guys can see, for a 94, this sucker is mint. Look how clean it is. Wow. Absolutely no rust, which is crazy. I don't know why there's a bag here. We're gonna take it off for him. See, we even do that. Look, that bag was stuck in the wheel well. It's too much of a beautiful car to have a bag stuck to it. So we took it out. Bag in the trash. Anyways, so still got the factory converter from 94 right there. Then it's even got a secondary converter there. And then he bought his own HKS Sport catback system, 3-inch, as you guys can see, all the way back. And then it goes into a factory style muffler, HKS. He said he didn't want it too loud, he just wanted a little bit of a tone. So that's what we did for him on this beautiful SX, 240 SX. It comes with a nice clean tip. It's a nice all powder coated black. And it's a nice clean system. And it's a nice clean car, look at that. Barely any surface rust. Been garage kept, I guess. Really nice. HKS system, boom. So stay tuned, guys, we're gonna let you guys hear it. And like always, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful content. I'll give you guys a walk around this car. I'm surprised for the age, how clean this car is. Even the interior. Look at the interior on this thing. No cracks in the dash, nothing. Wow, it's a 94. Has it only got 67,000 miles on it?
I think it says 57.
57,000 original miles. Wow, what a beautiful automobile. Whew. Show you the front of it. Like literally, wow. This sucker's been in the garage all its life. Wow. I'd love to have this car. But I know he's not gonna sell it. He loves it too. Really nice idle to it too. Wow, sounds clean. Here's sound decibels. Right at 91. Sounds really nice, really clean. It's mint, guys. Wow. I'm really impressed how clean it is. He just lowered it just enough, give it a nice clean stance. Want it loud, he didn't want it obnoxious. See, not everything we do is loud and crazy, just a clean, deep tone. Let you guys hear on the inside. It's clean, man. He found it on Marketplace of all places. Wow. Got lucky. He saved it because the guy was going to put a V8 in it. And then he's like, no, don't put a V8 in it. I want it original. You can't find them this clean original. I asked him if it was for sale. He's like, nope, it's not for sale. There he goes. Perfect. Enjoy, guys.